A.
Piss take.
Production.
Welcome back to another episode. This is going to be the installation of the kickstand elimination plug, and let's get to it. Remove the seat. Then with a 10mm socket, remove this plastic. It's a guide pretty much for the seat. 10mm socket, and just undo it. That's the component. The next thing you want to do, you want to grab, there's a green plug, I've already disconnected it, and you want to connect this kickstand eliminator plug, which I purchased off eBay, and I'll put the link in the description box, and that's going to go like that. Done, installed. Now this I'm going to tape up so no water gets into that plug. I just reused that piece of plastic. And we'll slip it over the plug and just fold it around like that. And the next thing, we want to tape it up. And then just neatly put everything back in position. Get the guard back in. And then next get the seat back on. Well, now that the kickstand mod's installed, we're going to test the bike. Choke. So there's only one issue, just don't forget to put your kickstand up before you leave and every takeoff. My mate Curtis, he'll even admit it, that when you get tired or fatigued, you're going to forget to put it back, kick it back up. So, and if you, as soon as you start riding, that bad boy's going to catch. I did and ah about installing it for a while, but I found that the more I rode standing up, my heel kept hitting the stand and cutting the engine out, and I don't want to have that when you've got momentum, especially on any sand dunes and stuff like that. So there you go, that was a quick install of the kickstand elimination plug, and I hope it works out for you. Safe riding, and I'll see you on the flip side.